Hey guys, it's Silverado Zach again. Welcome back to Truck Brothers. And today we're going to do an unboxing video. Something we've been waiting on for a little while here. And we're actually going to install it as well. If you don't mind scooting up, I want to get them, them to get a good view of this. Packaged really well. Perks to rock out or kudos, whatever you want to say. Alright, here it comes. Look at that. Okay, those of you that don't know, for the past all summer, my truck's been overheating. I haven't had AC, and it's because of these big, beautiful things right here. If you could tell, if you do know anything about Chevrolet or GM vehicles, there's something different about these fans. But we're not going to get in that yet. We're going to wait till we pull the old ones out and we'll show you the difference. All right, let's jump right into it. First off, we're going to start with removing this engine cover here. Then we're going to move to the intake breather tube. This will free up a lot of room to where we can get these electric fans out of here. Of course, what you're going to need is, you don't really necessarily need it, but I'm going to use the lazy tool, the Milwaukee Impact, with a 3/8 to 1/4 inch drive. And I also have my 1/4 inch set here. We're going to go ahead and start with an 8mm here. Let's see, which one are you? Right here. That's what we're going to need to take the intake tube off. So let's pull this engine cover off. You may have to fight it a little bit. Mine's broke, so I'm going to put it on the ground. Alright. We got one bolt here, right here, our hose clamp here, right at the intake. And then another right here at the air box itself. You really don't have to take it off as much as I did, but each his own, whatever. There's also a PCV valve hose right here that you're going to want to take loose before you pull that off. So let's go ahead and give her a tug forward. And of course it's got a nipple that holds it in place. I don't know why GM did that, but be careful of that because you will break it. And there you have it. The intake tube is on. Alright, what else do we have? This is already out. Ooh, wow, that jumped around. Oh my god, it's hot. It's so hot. We did just get done driving this. We got these two connectors down here that we're going to go ahead and unplug. This one, oh, I turned the light off. And then this one right here. This is really hard whenever you have like 9,000 degree engine bay heat. Alright. Alright, now we're going to step on to taking the bolts out. And I'm not going to do any more how-to till the fans are out. So just bear with us. We'll get right back into it, okay? Now, we can take a look and actually see the obvious differences. We've got a 7 and a 9 blade versus, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and a 5 blade. So we're going to move a lot more CFMs. It's going to cool better. It's just going to be an all-around better deal for the truck. So let's go ahead and get these in, get them bolted up, see what they do. Oversized, huh? Do it the American way, Zach. Get the bigger stuff.
I don't know.
I don't remember. That was like 4 Dougie Dougs. You want to be more like 3 on this one. Maybe 4. Alright, so let's get that engine cover. Now this is a little tricky, especially when it's broken. You just gotta kind of wedge her in there and make her fit. There we go. Alright, so let's fire her up, see if the fans come on. If they don't, let's burn the truck down. Man, those things are so quiet. I expected a lot more noise. They're definitely moving some wind though. Holy cow. Oh, that joker ain't ever getting hot again. It's still running?
Yeah, see, I didn't even notice them running at first.
They're real quiet. Well, there you have it. That's an install of the electric fans on an 07 through 13 Silverado. New body. Don't get it confused because there is an old body of this truck, but it doesn't look nothing like it. It's cat eye. So, 07 new, is it NNBS? New body style? Yeah. 07 through 13. Now, if you mind following me this way, I gotta show you guys something. As it always is, please like, share, and as always, subscribe. Hit the little red button, ring the bell. We surely appreciate it. Y'all take care and have a wonderful day.